Hello everyone. In this class of Java programming, let us continue understanding the string handling concepts. And in this class, we focus on the character extraction methods and the methods to compare the strings. So to extract characters from a string object, to accomplish this, intrinsically, the string methods employ an index or an offset value to each character of a string. So there are three methods which we are discussing here. They are caret, it, getChars, and two char array methods. Let us find out their syntaxes. The first caret method, char it method, to extract one single character from a string. But the syntax of this method is char it int var. The variable here represents the index from which the character should be extracted. And the return type of this method is obviously a character which it returns. And if we want to extract more characters at a time, so here is which we can use, that is getChars method. So let us try to understand the syntax of this method. GetChars int source end char target int target start. So what are these variables about? Start and end points from where the characters should be extracted, and the extracted characters are stored in a character array called target, and the target start represents the index value of the target to which the substring that is extracted needs to be copied. Okay, and to char array, and this is a method which convert all the characters of a character array to a string. So these are the character extraction methods. Moving on, string comparison. So to compare strings or substrings within a string, we have the following methods, that is equals, equals ignore case, and region matches. The syntax of equals method, if you see here, it's equals of object string. To compare string, it returns a boolean value. If the two strings are equal, then it returns true, otherwise it returns a false. And if you at times if you want to ignore the case, so you can use this method equals ignore case to perform a comparison that ignores case differences. And there is also another method called region matches, which will compare a specific region inside a string with another specific region in another string. So the general form of this method is region matches start index, the string with which this comparison is made, the start index, and the number of characters. The return type of this method is also a boolean value. So the general form of this method is region matches in start index, the string str2, that is the string whose region should be matched, and the start index of the string 2, and the number of characters. So even this method will also return a boolean value, a true or false. If the region matches, it returns true, otherwise a false. And there is also an overloaded method for this, which where we can specify either to ignore or allow the case comparison. So if you want to allow the case comparison, ignore the case, then it should be true. This value should be true. If it does not want to ignore the case, this should be specified as false. And the other parameters remains the same. So let us find out the code illustration for this. So this is for extracting the characters. We are using all the three methods here, the caret method, getChars method, and the toChar method. Okay, I have a string, I declared a string s1 which is having the value string handling. Now I want to print a character at 0 with the help of caret statement. So if you see this, if you remember the syntax, it is int of var. So now var represents an integer value 0, which means I want a character from the 0th index of should be s, isn't it? And now I want to fetch the characters string, the word string. I want to fetch it from the string s1. So to do so, I am using the getChars method here. I took integer variable start and end to denote my index values. That is, the starting index is 0 and end index is 6. So I am taking the same target array because it has to store the 6 characters, and the substring should be copied into the target array from the index 0. Okay, so s1 dot get chars of start, end, target and 0. So now the characters which are extracted is stored in this target character array. I am printing the target array, and I am using the toChar array method to convert this string into character array. So the result is a character array here, and now my string has converted into a character array, and I am printing this result to the console. So let us execute this method and find out the output. So look at here. Yes, the index at 0 is yes, and this is what I want to fetch or I want to extract from the string s1, and this is a character array value. So this is about the extraction. Now let us see the comparison. Okay, I took two strings, s1 which is Java and s2 which is Java. I have changed the value of j is just a lowercase letter here. Now if I run a method s1 dot equals of s2, this should return false, isn't it? Because when it makes a comparison with character to character comparison, the first two characters differs. So the value of this method should be false. And now I am invoking the method equals ignore case. So obviously the string s1 and s2 are same, and it will return the output as true. Now I want to check a region program in str1. So I want the method on str2 and region matches. Yes, I am invoking a method str2 region matches. So from 5, that is the fifth index, and followed with the 7 characters. Okay. Now if the region is matched, if the region match is found, then the result will be true. Otherwise it is going to be false. Let us execute this code and find out the output of this code as well. So obviously in the first instance it's going to be false. And because we are ignoring the case, then it is true. And the region match is also found. So the output is returned as true. I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.